it's Tiffany Ashton with ClinEssentials. I am here with 3 great interview tips that everyone that's currently interviewing in the clinical research industry should utilize. Now, no matter what role you are going to be in or applying for, there's 3 questions that you should ask at the end of your interview when the interviewer allows you to, ask any questions that you may have after going through the entire interview process. Now, you always want to start these 3 questions being humble, saying, if the offer was extended to me, if I were to come on to your company, and then you would follow it up with, if I were to join your company, can you tell me a little bit about your onboarding process? And in that response, you are looking for them to let you know that, we give new hires 2 to 3 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks to complete all SOPs, get system accesses, and settle into the role. That's the ideal answer. Now, if your interviewer says, actually, for this role, we're going to jump you or throw you right on in and you have to do project work at the same time as you're doing your SOPs and getting system accesses, you would know that this is going to be a little hectic, because the proper onboarding is to allow you to get in, settle down, get your system accesses, learn the new company, learn your SOPs before you are thrown into, actual study work, because you want to be set up for success. And just imagine having 100 SOPs thrown at you, plus study meetings and study tasks. You're going to be overwhelmed just starting out. So you want to listen very carefully to how they phrase and the response to that question, so you'll know and you can prepare yourself. Oh, I'm going to have a good onboarding period, or they're going to throw me right in and I'm going to be expected to do the SOPs, the onboarding, learning a new company, plus moving the project forward. So that's question 1. The next question you want to ask is, if I were to move on to the next round, what would that look like? And in that question, you want to receive the response to know if you have another phone interview, another panel interview. You want to see, are you going to have another series of interviews after this one that you're getting off? And that will help you gauge too how fast they're moving and what you may need to prepare for. And then number 3, the last question that you want to ask is, how soon are you looking for someone to start this role? And again, this question, the response to this question will help gauge how urgently there's a need at their company. And if they say, hey, we're looking for someone to start Monday, and it's the Thursday before, you can bet that it's probably pretty crazy there. They're going to throw you right in. Or if they say, we're looking for someone to start in 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever notice period that you would need, then you'll know that, there's not an urgent need and an urgent rush. So those are just 3 questions that would work well for all roles, no matter what role you're applying for within the clinical research industry, so you can gauge and be able to see if that role is going to be the right fit for you compared to any other roles that you're also interviewing for. Thanks so much for watching. And if you are in need of career services or career counseling more so, if you're moving from one role to the next, or if you just have questions that you would like to ask the clinical research professional, be sure to check out the website at ClinEssentials.com. We have a career services option where you can get in contact with a industry professional with at least 15 years experience to help answer some of those questions that you may not be able to find the answer to with a colleague or even on the internet or where you're searching. So thanks for watching, and please feel free to like and share and subscribe, and we will hope to see you again for the next video. Thanks. Bye.